Here's some common connecting words in Spanish and how to use them. First one we're going to look at is aunque. This can mean although, even though, even if. Now, if you say even though, you're just going to follow it with the verb in its regular form. If you say even if though, you want to make the next verb subjunctive. So a couple of examples. Even though it's cold, I'm going. Aunque hace frío, voy. Now, even if it rains, I'm going would be aunque llueva, voy. And llueva is llueve, but subjunctive. Even though she said no, I have hope. Aunque ella dijo que no, tengo esperanza. Another good connecting word is por eso, which means that's why. Literally word for word is kind of like for that. That's why I'm going. Por eso voy. That's why they don't invite you. Por eso no te invitan. Another good connecting word is however, sin embargo. I wanted to sleep, however, I studied. Quería dormir, sin embargo, estudié. Entonces means so. A lot of times if you put the word then in a translator, it says entonces, and this isn't really right. Entonces is more like so. I'll show you how to say then, meaning like after, in a second. I was busy, so I didn't respond. Estaba ocupado, entonces no respondí. You could also say así que to say so you could have said in that sentence, estaba ocupado, así que no respondí. To say then or next, you want to say either luego, which technically means later, or después, which technically means after. First, we went to the museum and then the park. Primero fuimos al museo y luego al parque. Let's do this, then that. Vamos a hacer esto, luego, or después, eso. The last one I'll teach you today is a pesar de or a pesar de que. This means despite. When you say a pesar de que, it's more like even though. So some examples. Despite the rain, we went out. A pesar de la lluvia, salimos. Despite being tired, or even though I was tired, I did it. A pesar de que estaba cansado, lo hice. If Spanish seems like a frustrating and confusing process to you, I encourage you to sign up for my free training today, where I show you what resources to use to learn faster, what to and not to focus on, and how to become fluent in Spanish within a year. At the end of that free training, you also hear more about my full Spanish program if you're interested, plus you get a special discount for signing up. Just go to michaelharperspanish.com and click on Let's Get Started to sign up for this free training right now. And follow to learn more Spanish.